Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest updates on bikes and e-cycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of the year, the 2025 Jio Electric Cycle. Reliance Jio has stepped into the electric mobility market with an affordable and feature-packed e-cycle designed for daily commuters and eco-conscious riders. Let's explore what makes this cycle a game-changer. Design and build. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 features a sleek and modern design, built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame. It has an ergonomic structure, ensuring a comfortable ride for both short trips and long commutes. With stylish alloy wheels and a robust suspension system, this e-cycle promises stability on city roads and rough terrains alike. Battery and range. One of the standout features is its removable lithium-ion battery, which offers a range of 50 to 70 kilometers per charge, depending on riding conditions. The battery takes around 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, making it convenient for daily use. Jio's smart battery management system ensures longevity and optimal performance. Motor and performance. The cycle is powered by a 250W hub motor, providing smooth acceleration and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, complying with Indian e-cycle regulations. It offers multiple riding modes, including pedal assist and full electric mode, making it ideal for various riding preferences. The torque sensor ensures a seamless riding experience with efficient power delivery. Smart features and connectivity. Jio has integrated smart technology into this cycle, allowing riders to connect it to their smartphones via the Jio Mobility app. This app provides real-time tracking, battery status, navigation assistance, and even a digital locking system for security. Some variants may also come with built-in GPS and IoT connectivity. Pricing and availability. Reliance Jio is aiming for affordability, making this e-cycle accessible to a wide audience. The expected price range is 25,000 to 35,000 Indian rupees, depending on the variant. It will be available at Reliance digital stores, select online platforms, and through Jio's retail network. Final thoughts. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is set to revolutionize urban commuting with its smart features, efficient battery, and affordable pricing. Whether you're a student, office worker, or fitness enthusiast, this e-cycle offers a budget-friendly and eco-friendly alternative to traditional transport. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more updates on electric bikes and cycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest reviews and insights. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.